how to log out of all devices on Facebook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of all the devices that you're currently logged into on your Facebook account within the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, all we need to do is first open up the Facebook app, then open up the menu by selecting the three lines in the top left of the app right here next to the Facebook logo. Once the menu opens up, scroll down, select Settings and Privacy, and then just select Settings. Once we're in the settings, select Account Center, and then all we need to do is select Password and Security. Now scroll down and go to Security Checks and select where you're logged in. Select the Facebook account that you want to log out of all devices on. It'll then show you the devices and the location of those devices that are currently logged into your Facebook account. Select Devices to log out, and then you can select individual devices to log out of, or you can select All, and that will select all the devices you're currently logged in on except the one you're currently on, and then select Log Out at the bottom. It'll confirm that you do indeed want to log out of all the devices that you've selected. And then once you confirm, those devices will be logged out and they'll need to log back in using your password or something like that to be able to gain access to your Facebook account again. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.